Mega, where's your ball? Go get your ball. Nala has it. Look, I threw them the ball and they don't pay attention. So it's not, oh, she found it. Are you walking? Morning walk at the farm. So nice. This is the building site. A lot of mess, but imagine how it will be in a couple of weeks, months. I don't know how long it will take, but eventually. Dodgy camping setup for us and the kids. Dogs sleep in the car. This is our kitchen setup. Look at our kitchen. Yes, this is how we survive here. This is where we cook our food. Okay, child, okay. Building us a little cabin from a shipping container. That's my husband over there.
Why are you scared of us?
Because the lizard.
We got some dinner.
Oh my god. Yes, in Australia we eat this for dinner.
No, we don't.
Yum. Yes, you are. Look at me. Look at me in the eyes and you don't eat lizard. See? He can't tell you. He eat lizard. Look. He's gonna cook it. He's gonna chop it by the fire. And then he's gonna cook it.
When did I ever eat lizard?
Look at your face. Lizard man.
When did I ever eat a lizard?
This is how I eat my breakfast. Peanut butter sandwich and milk out of the bottle. That's my kid's toilet, by the way. Can you see it? Yep, that's the toilet. And she does it right there. Push kids. Let's go check on the lizard. I think they're supposed to sleep in the winter or something. He's alive. Hello, little guy. Oh, he's sleeping just beside the toilet at the moment. The dog's collar got caught in this thing. Nala, you're still too small for this one? Huh? Look, okay, this is not for playing. This is for your neck. Let me have a look. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Let me see. Oh my god, child. Okay, she's running away with her. Lunch is scrambled egg with bean sprout and wrap. similar like Indonesian snack that I used to have. Let's see. I'll put this on a wrap. Vegetarian freaking wrap. It's gonna be delicious. It is delicious. No, stay. Stay. Daddy's gonna take you for a walk. Stay. Look at my dog. Freaking farm dog. Bye, doggy. Bye, doggy. Stay. Bye. Oh, look. All the workers come to help. Are you helping? Are you helping, Missy? Yes, you are. You helping? Would you like to see the view of the farm in the afternoon? It is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go. That's another shipping container. It's probably the better one than the one we're gonna build. That looks really neat. But I mean, we have what we have, right? We're gonna go to the cattle yard where the mommy and oh, where are they? There they are. Oh, they're eating hay. Hello, everybody. Hello. Are you having early dinner? Yum yum. Look at it here. It's gorgeous. As far as you can see, Simba. It's not yours, it's somebody else's. I'm joking. This is not our farm, by the way. We're just staying here at the moment. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh my god, can you see the sky? It's like purple pink.